Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the part two of this video. I didn't think I was going to need to make one, but I was having a little difficulty seeing to move, and if you didn't watch the first one, you need to watch the first one. You need to cut this hole out first, and it's actually second in line. And when I was trying to move it down, I was having trouble seeing it. I got it there this time, but right up here, show object properties. When you have it like this, you can very easily see the line and where you're going to put it. So if you want that line down to the bottom, you just grab it and put it to the bottom. And then you can use your arrow keys or your tab key and it'll show you which ones are going next. So you want it to cut the little hole, big hole, little hole, big hole in that order. For some reason, Corel or the print driver starts at the bottom and goes up. So that's the order you want to go. But if you have this on, you don't need, I never had seen that before. I must have inadvertently, and I do open some other people's files and use theirs, and so that might be the problem. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.